me see it. Let me see it.
Say my touch. No touch.
I'm not touching. Is it really loose though?
I told him the tooth fairy you'll get $5 for the first tooth. The first tooth you lose, you get $5. Let me see that sucker. Hey. Oh my God, you're such a boy. What do you say? Let me see your tooth. Now wiggle it. No?
I can't.
Why?
It hurts.
It's so cool though. The tooth fairy's so gonna come leave money. Oh my gosh, it's your first one, baby! Yay, give me 5! It's awesome! Okay. You just gonna wait till it wiggles its way out, or you wanna pull it?
No pull, because that'll hurt.
It might, I don't know.
It always does.
How do you know? You never lost one.
Kellen says it does.
Oh, Kellen says it does? Okay, so we'll just let it work its way out? And then the tooth fairy will come? Okay. Wiggle it. Let me see so I can freak Dad out.
Ow!
Don't do it hard. You think it'll fall out tonight? You do? Don't swallow it.
Because that'll kill me.
Well, I don't know if it'll kill you, but you don't get the $5. Oh, tooth fairy's got to have a tooth. Are you wiggling it? I can't see. Here, let me see. I can't see.
I felt it come out and back in. It was like this.
Oh my gosh. Give me 5. You're awesome. Love you.